Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, prepare to be captivated as we embark on a journey into the world of smart hidden furniture and space-saving solutions. We're about to unveil a remarkable collection of modern pieces that are redefining the concept of interior design for small apartments. From hidden beds that magically appear when needed to tables that effortlessly expand to accommodate more guests, we've scoured the design world to bring you these extraordinary solutions. But before we start, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for updates on all our tech videos. Now let's get started. Number 9. Ori Pocket Closet. In the modern world, having one's own dressing room is a common aspiration. However, the reality often falls short due to limited space. Ori Living, a company specializing in transformative furniture, unveiled a groundbreaking design in November last year. The Ori Pocket Closet, when compact, takes up minimal space. Its sides are equipped with shelves, one of which is large enough to house a painting or a television. The other side unfolds to create a compact yet functional desk. With a simple press of a button, the structure expands, revealing shelves and cabinets for organizing clothing and footwear. This design can be controlled via a mobile app or a smart speaker, offering added convenience. Beyond functioning as a dressing room, it can also serve as a mini library, storage area, or a place to keep documents organized in an office setting. Number 8. Living Cube. In the world of contemporary interior design, there are numerous ways to enhance your living space. Among them, the Living Cube stands out as an outstanding example. This innovative piece of furniture seamlessly blends beauty and practicality. The Living Cube features a multitude of drawers and shelves on its sides, offering ample storage for books, music records, a player, a TV, and even clothing. Furthermore, it includes a ladder and a door, ensuring accessibility from all directions. The small interior space can serve as a versatile storage area, and the manufacturer suggests it can be adapted into a dressing room or a bathroom. Additionally, the upper surface of the Living Cube provides a versatile area. It can be transformed into a lounge space, a platform for decorative items, or, as illustrated in a video, a cozy sleeping spot. This adaptability makes it an appealing choice for those seeking efficient and stylish living solutions. Number 7. Parasot Space Up. Now meet the Parasot Space Up, an impressive space-saving solution designed to maximize functionality, especially in spacious, high-ceilinged rooms. This French-crafted bed, though modest in size, excels in offering substantial storage options. The sides of the bed come equipped with shelves, optimizing space for books, toiletries, and various essentials. While similar designs are available, the Space Up model sets itself apart with a unique feature. The mattress tilts back, revealing a spacious 2.3 cubic meters of storage area complete with drawers. This space is versatile enough to accommodate large items such as suitcases and sports equipment. Remarkably, the bed's hinged mechanism has been intricately engineered, ensuring that when the bed is open, there is ample room inside for easy access to the storage area. Essentially, Space Up serves as 3 pieces of furniture in one: a bed, a nightstand, and a wardrobe. This ingenious design makes it an excellent option for those who prioritize both comfort and convenience in their living spaces. Number 6. Smart Kitchen. In the heart of every home, the kitchen holds a special place. It's where people spend much of their time, so it should blend comfort and functionality seamlessly. Every facet of this kitchen space has been thoughtfully designed to maximize utility. With the convenience of a remote control, you can effortlessly access even those often overlooked corners, making the most of every inch. The exterior panels are removable, simplifying the cleaning process. The refrigerator drawers, camouflaged as regular ones, are strategically placed beneath the countertop for swift access to food. These drawers feature integrated separators for efficient organization of kitchen appliances. The design is not only contemporary, but also technologically advanced, featuring wireless charging stations. Before we proceed to the next smart hidden furniture, take a moment to hit the subscribe button below. By doing so, you ensure you're always up to date with our fascinating content. Plus, you'll join a community of like-minded tech enthusiasts and gain access to in-depth explorations of fascinating topics like this one. Don't miss out. Number 5. Smart Console Dining Table. This dining table offers an ingenious solution to a common issue with conventional dining tables. Regular dining tables are often bulky and lack flexibility. However, this innovative Smart Console Dining Table revolutionizes that norm. When not in use, it seamlessly transforms into a compact console table, a boon for smaller living spaces. But its brilliance shines when guests arrive or a larger dining area is required, as it effortlessly expands into a spacious table accommodating 5 diners. If you desire an in-between setting, opening it halfway transforms it into a convenient study table. or an intimate spot for a romantic dinner. This table's versatility extends to its color palette, featuring basic hues that harmonize with various interior designs. Its adaptability and space-saving design make it an excellent addition to homes where space optimization is paramount. Whether you have a cozy apartment or a spacious dining room, this smart console dining table offers a practical and stylish dining solution for all occasions. Number 4. Sofa Magico. Next up, we have the Sofa Magico. It is like furniture magic born from the simplicity of Lego blocks. Starting as a basic block, it can be stacked side by side. By attaching a hook and an L-shaped nut, it transforms into a sturdy platform. Place a cushion on top for seating comfort. To make it even more robust, stack additional cushions underneath, turning it into a versatile stool. But that's not all. Add a backrest, and it becomes a fully functional sofa. What's remarkable is its adaptability, which extends to creating a mini coffee table by attaching legs and a wooden slab. When extra guests arrive, spread out the cushions, pull out their hidden legs, and join them to expand seating. These adaptable cushions can even be transformed into single beds when the need arises. Their sleek black color with silver finish ensures they'll seamlessly fit into various interior designs. Number 3. Retractable wall bunk beds. While bunk beds are fun, assembling them can often be a cumbersome task. However, these innovative retractable wall bunk beds offer a refreshing solution. Unlike traditional bunk beds with intricate base structures, these beds simplify the process. You securely attach a supporting frame to the wall using screws and bolts, eliminating the need for a complicated setup. What truly distinguishes these beds is their cabinet-like design. They open up effortlessly, allowing you to customize bed spacing and height according to your needs. Additionally, when not in use, they can be neatly folded into the wall, similar to Murphy beds, sparing you the daily chore of making the bed. These beds are particularly convenient for shared rooms or for siblings who share a living space. Their efficient design not only maximizes space, but also ensures a hassle-free experience. Number 2. Swivel table for studio. It is an unassuming piece of furniture with a hidden talent. At first glance, it appears to be a regular table, but its unique design sets it apart. It features an L-shaped drawer that conceals an extendable tabletop. What makes this table truly remarkable is its ability to swivel, providing additional workspace when needed. Its compact size allows it to fit seamlessly into any corner, making it a versatile addition to small spaces. You can also repurpose it as a bedside table, making it a multifunctional piece. Crafted from sturdy yet lightweight wood, it's easy to move around, and the swivel mechanism operates smoothly without any annoying sticking. Number 1. The Cabin H2O Architects. The Cabin by H2O Architects is an impressive piece of architectural brilliance. Inside its wooden walls, it cleverly includes 2 beds, making cozy corners perfect for reading and relaxation. What makes this design special is its smart space organization, leaving room for extra furniture like dressing tables or decorative items. The rounded wooden structure extends smoothly into the kitchen, creating a distinct and pleasing design that spreads throughout the entire living area. What makes this cabin stand out is its knack for blending practicality with beauty. It doesn't just maximize usefulness, it also enhances the overall visual appeal. It demonstrates innovative design, showing how well-thought-out spatial planning can change a living space. The result is a warm and balanced environment where each part complements the rest, making the Cabin by H2O Architects a notable addition to any home. It's proof of how creativity can redefine living spaces, demonstrating that even in small areas, you can achieve a mix of comfort and style. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We have more amazing videos pinned for you, so be sure to check them out. We appreciate your support, and we'll see you next time on the channel.